Hello, and welcome to your FredExcel lessons for today. Today we are looking at a table in a Word document, and we want to show how to really number sequentially in the table in the Word document. To do that, simply you select the column you want to do the numbering in the table. You go to the home, you go to the paragraph group, you select numbering here, the drop down, select the numbers you are interested in, that's 1 to 2. And you have the numbers in there. As when you want to indent it to the left, you can just select it, go to the paragraph group and select left indent, and it will be indented to the left. Now, assuming that you really want to add another row, all that you have to do is go to the last box and use the tab key and automatically to update it. So you see that you have 8 added. In the same way, you can select any of the rows and go to insert and insert below, and it will be updated. So you see you have 4 here and it's updated to 9. This is how smart you can really insert numbers in a table in a Word document. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.